With easy steps, you can learn to make a mind-blowing 3D fidget spinner animation using Adobe After Effects. First step, create a new composition called Fidget Spinner. Let's set the dimensions to 1920 by 1080 for HD. Choose 30 frames per second. Set your desired duration, but we'll keep it short today. Now, let's build the spinner using shape layers. Select the rectangle tool to create the central core, adjusting the fill and stroke. Copy, paste, and resize for the arms, choosing unique shapes and colors. Make it spin. Select all shape layers and click the stopwatch for rotation. Introduce an expression to the rotation property with some code to create a constant spin. For realism, add keyframes at start 10 and tweak the rotation values for dynamic spinning. Ensure easing for a smooth, natural spin. It's time to go 3D. Add a new camera layer and adjust its position to create dynamic views. To enable 3D, enable the 3D switch for each layer. Let's add visual pop, adding glows and adjusting colors. Next, add effects to the background for professional finishing. Export your video in a format of your choice for sharing. Start sharing your animation now.